In this video, we're going to talk about how to insert a header and footer in our Microsoft Excel document. So I'm going to go to my 07 Messenger header footer Excel workbook. And the first thing I'm going to go to is the View tab on the ribbon. Go to the View tab. In the Workbook Views group, click the Page Layout button. Page Layout. And this will show us our headers and footers. And then click Add Header or Add Footer down here at the bottom. Click the Center Header text box. So we're going to put a little header in. We now, once we click into there, we have a Header and Footer Tools Design tab available to us. So in the Elements group, so we're going to go to the Header and Footer Elements group, click the sheet name. Sheet name. So it will display the sheet name at the top of our page. So it's given the codex or the code for Excel to know to do that. So don't edit this. It is correct. So now we're going to click in the left-hand text box and type your name. Click. Type your name in the left-hand text box. So you have three boxes. You have a left, a middle, and a right. So now in the navigation group up here, we're going to go to footer. And now we have three boxes along the bottom. We're going to go to the left footer text box. So over here to the left. And in the header and footer group, up here at the top, we're going to click in the footer button. And we're going to insert the one that begins with confidential. So I'm going to click confidential. It's also going to have the date and the page number. So confidential, date, page 1. So confidential is in the left, date's in the middle, page 1 is on the right. And now we can return to normal view. So go back to your View tab, click on Normal, and that's all there is to it. So if we go to should be able to go to our Print preview. Let's go to Print, and we now can see our header and our footer.